Hola! Welcome to this lesson. We are going to learn 5 different colors today. Let's begin. Los colores. The colors. Let's begin learning some colors in Spanish. Amarillo. Amarillo means yellow. Can you say amarillo? Naranja means orange. Naranja. Can you say orange? Rojo. Rojo means red. Can you say rojo? Rosa means pink. Rosa. Can you say pink? Morado means purple. Morado. Can you say morado? Great job. Now let's take a moment and we're going to play a game. I'm going to show you a picture with one of our friends and you try to find the color that we say, okay? Let's practice and have fun. Our friend Pablo is looking for something amarillo. Amarillo means yellow. Do you see something? That's right, the sun is amarillo. What about, do you see anything that's naranja? Naranja means orange. That's right, the sky is naranja behind Pablo. Great job. Sophia is looking for something rojo. Rojo means red. Do you see something rojo? That's right. The house behind Sophia is rojo. Great job. Jose is looking for something rosa. Rosa means pink. Do you see anything rosa? That's right. The house behind Pablo and the wall behind Pablo are both rosa in color. Our friends Kobe Jack and Bogart are looking for something morado. Morado means purple. Do you see anything purple? That's right. Those 2 shipping containers are morado, or purple.
Let's sing a fun little song to help us remember what we just learned.
Let's learn 5 colors today. Vamos a aprender los colores hoy.
The colors, los colores.
Here we go. Aquí, ole. Amarillo means yellow. Amarillo means yellow. Bright like the sun. So mellow.
This completes our first lesson on colors. We'll see you tomorrow for more colors.